Hello and welcome to this Online College of Coding video tutorial series. This is the 11th video in the series of intermediate breaky blocks in GameMaker. In this video we're going to be finishing off the game by adding some sound effects. Before starting this video, it's recommended you've seen the previous videos in the series, as well as the introduction to GameMaker videos and intermediate programming concept videos. Let's get started. Click the Create a Sound button and name the new sound Breaky Blocks Music. Click the Open button and choose the Breaky Blocks Music.ogg sound file and click Open. Press OK to close the Sound Properties window and open the controller object. Click the Add Event button and choose from the other section the Game Start event. Then drag in a Play Sound action from the Main 1 section of the Actions list. Set the sound to be Breaky Blocks Music and set its loop property to be true. Now close the controller object and test your game to hear the music. Once again, click the Create a Sound button and name the new sound Ball Destroy. Click the Open button to choose a music file. Choose the file name Ball Destroy. Now close the sound and open the ball object. Select the Destroy event and drag in a Play Sound action. Set the sound to be Ball Destroy and leave its loop property at false. Now let's test the game again. To hear the sound, all we need to do is let our ball get destroyed. And there it is. Now again, click the Create a Sound button and this time name the sound Explosion. Press the Open button and select the explosion sound file. Then choose Open. That's the explosion sound effect done. So now open the explosion object. And in the Create event, we're going to add a Play Sound action, set the sound to Explosion, and make sure looping is false. Now we need to create another sound. This one gets the name New Ball. Use the Open button to select the New Ball sound file, and that's the New Ball sound done. Close the sound and open the ball object, and into its Create event from the Main 1 tab, drag a Play Sound action, and choose the New Ball sound with the loop property of false. Now we can close the ball and create another sound. Name this one Brick Destroy. Use the Open button to choose the Brick Destroy sound file, then click OK to close the sound and open the brick object. Select the Destroy event and drag in a Play Sound action. Set the sound to Brick Destroy and leave its looping at false. Now to create our last sound, click the Create a Sound button, give it the name Game Over. Click the Open button and choose the Game Over sound file. That's the Game Over sound done. So press OK to close it. Now open the Death Wall object and select its Alarm 0 event. Drag in a Play Sound action and set its sound to be Game Over and leave the loop property at false. We need to make sure that we drag the Play Sound action to be the action at the top of the list so that the sound gets played before the level gets restarted. Now with all the sounds done, all we have to do is play the game and listen, just to make sure that they're all happening when they should be. Sounds like they're all working perfectly. That's it. That was the final part of the Breaky Blocks game. Well done. Congratulations for making it all the way through this tutorial. You picked up some awesome programming skills along the way. If you feel like you're up for a bit of a challenge, maybe you could try one of our Unity projects next, or move on to another one of our GameMaker projects. Whichever you choose, I'll see you in the next one.